Alright, thank you for joining me in another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize the colors inside your Google Sheets CRM, Sheetify CRM. You can see we have colors up here. If we navigate across, you can see we have colors here and over here. So how can we make changes to all of these colors? Well, first, for example, let's navigate over to settings down here. And then let's say we go ahead and we add different task status, source, team, and priority. For example, if I click down here, I'm going to add some more team members that I want to collaborate with on my Sheetify CRM, Liam and Jack. Then under source, I'm going to add some more items. I'm going to add referral and Google search. And I could also do the same with any of these other columns if I liked. Okay, so let's navigate back across over to contacts and leads. And if I navigate over to source over here and click on this drop down, you can see we have two more items down here. If I click on this pencil icon, I can navigate down and I can simply change the color of that item here. For Google search, I'm going to add orange and I'm happy with that. Go ahead and click on done and then apply to all. Now let's go ahead and close this. And now if we navigate down to source and we want to select a source item, you can see those options over here. Now if I click on this pencil icon again, I can navigate down, and if we click on this color icon and then click on customize, we can change the text color. So you can see the text color here, as well as the background color, which is this orange color. So for the text color, I want the text color to be darker. Once you've made your changes, go OK, done, and apply to all. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this. And you can do the same with any of these elements. Simply come down, click on edit button, and then make changes to the colors here, or click on customize to make changes to the text and the background color. Again, if I navigate across, you can see we have assigned to, this is our team. We've gone ahead and we've already added Liam and Jack as members that are part of our team and that we want to collaborate with on our Sheetify CRM. Again, all you would do is go ahead and customize the colors if you like. Now up here, if we navigate across, you can simply make color changes to the background by navigating up to fill color and changing the color here. If you want to change the text color, simply navigate up to the text color and make those changes. And you can do that on any of these sheets. For example, if I navigate over to client tasks, and under client task, what I can do is navigate up to this blue and then navigate across and then click on shift and then click here. Then all I need to do is navigate up to the background color and I can change this to any color that I like. So as you can see, it's as simple as that to make changes to each of your different columns, to each of your items, background, as well as the text on your Google Sheets. Or if you want to customize the colors that already exist on your Sheetify CRM, you can simply go ahead and do that at any time.